I think the biggest challenge right now is the uncertainty in the market about tariffs. That's been a big pain point, and especially with a lot of clients, they have a concentration in one particular country when it comes to manufacturing. With the impact of the tariffs, they want to diversify and spread out to other countries where they can move their manufacturing. And the buyers, they don't want to see that concentration risk at one particular country. They want to make sure that it's properly diversified. We have a lot of services that we provide to them, and we have the best team of people at BPM. We have people from all big fours who work at BPM, and we do have a diverse group of people that can offer solutions in the right format. If you need apparel, you need manufacturing, you need distribution, or you need retail, we have all the expertise within that group, and we can help you with all your issues that you have in navigating the complex technical accounting issues. If you have any R&D credits issue, that we can work with you and your team, like reach out to BPM, and we have a good set of people that can help you in your accomplishments.